Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to present the most important features of Database Digger. This flexible data and documentation management system can be a huge help in the daily work of archaeologists. So let's get right into it. Right now I'm on the homepage, so let's start by logging into the administration account. Every entry on the website is assigned to an entry type which includes a range of configuration options. First, let's go to the entry type editing section. This is a template that speeds up creating entries at a later stage. Let me open one from the list. Let's pick painting. Here we can name our entry type and define the additional fields it should contain. We can add additional fields while deciding whether they will be visible in the entry preview, in the partial view, or if a field should be a WYSIWYG editor or have a predefined validation. We can also secure this entry type by sharing it with selected users on a read-only basis. Linking entries allows us to create relations with other entries, which helps maintain a logical structure for the full relations map. Each entry can also have its own side menu, which can be connected here after being defined in another part of the system. Now, let's check out an already added entry of the painting type and then edit it. In the form, we can see the title, the main image, and an attachment. The link map option allows us to select an area on the image and assign a link to it. Let's go back to the editing. You can decide of the visibility of the entry we are adding. For example, we can set its details to be accessible only to logged-in users. Here, we can fill in the additional fields defined in the entry type. In the Related Entries section, we can link the specific entry to others. We can also add a translation, share the entry with another users, add a bibliography, link a menu, or leave a comment. Let me switch to the entry preview. Here we have the completed additional fields, the main photo, and the link map on it. Clicking on the selected area redirects us to the linked entry. Now, let's move on to one of the most interesting features of our system. Let's open an entry of the 3D object type. Browsing this kind of entry is very intuitive. It lets you zoom in, zoom out, and rotate the object. When editing a 3D entry, we also have the option to add extra pins to specific areas of our choice. Let's head back to our pyramid entry and scroll down to open the relations map. Here, we can see the connections created between entries in the system. It's a simple way to present complex relationship within the system's data structure. Clicking an item opens another relationship, while double-clicking takes us straight to the entry details. The feature I've shown today are just a fraction of what users can do with this system, from account management, both yours and other users, homepage, and footer configuration, to defining menus, tags, and even a notification system. Database Digger is a powerful tool for archaeologists ready to move their work into a clean, convenient space where data management becomes simple and enjoyable. Contact us and test the system today.